Comfort, care, and creativity are three things that are important to me. And I know that those are three things that are important to them. And how I show up with my smile and my face and my best self, they are those people that can make me shine. You know, I think the biggest thing for me was I was absolutely terrified and made up a lot of story in my head of what dentistry is, or it's gonna hurt and it's gonna be painful. And I remember how relaxing and how calming they made me feel. I had to just make the choice to step in and ensure that I can take care of myself, but to trust that they could take care of me. They developed trust with me, and now today I can just walk in and sit in the chair and put those cool, funky sunglasses on and sit back, and I know that I'm going to be fully taken care of, and I'm so grateful. Well, one thing about Dr. Lam and her team is all about the wholeness and all about the wellness and the entire body. And Dr. Lam is always searching for the next best and greatest thing, and has partnered up with Mike and James with related to postural restoration and integration. And there's so many things that are roots around our wellness. I mean, your bite, your smile, your teeth are connected to other things that are a part of your body. And so Mike and James are actually the extension and the resource with the postural restoration and integration. Is something that's going to actually apply to the wholeness of me. And as I move into my next journey, to make sure again that I feel good on the inside and on the outside. I would definitely recommend Dr. Alice and her team. Highly, highly recommend if you're thinking about it, pick up the phone, ask to sit down with Dr. Lam, have a consult, let her ease your fears and answer your questions. This is the place to be. She is an expert in her team at what they do, and I highly recommend it.